There is a sound of heaven touching the earth. Only the desperate would receive the tongue of fire. Assemblies of God, Airport Road Branch 1 presents 3 days of endowment. Theme: the sound, the wind, and the fire. Acts chapter 2 verse 1 to 4. Featuring deliverance, healing, Holy Spirit baptism and gifts, spiritual renewal, breakthroughs, and lots more. Ministering Reverend Theodore Effiong, guest speaker all the way from Calabar. Conveners Pastor Fabian and Pastor Favor A. Epetuku. Ministering in song, the Chariots of Praise, the Paradise Choir, and other anointed guests. Dates 18th through 20th July 2025. Time 4 p.m. daily. Venue: Assemblies of God, Airport Road Branch 1, 5 Okoro Close, Borikoko Efron, Delta State. Come and refire. There shall be the rain of fire.